Well, hello everybody. Today I've got bicycle lights. I saw some people riding the other day, and they had lights on the spokes of the wheel. And oh man, that looked like so much fun. I'm going to get me some. So, I just went on Amazon and picked out a couple. I don't know if these are the best, but the reviews, they seemed okay. So I bought enough for, I bought 2 packs of 2, so this should do 4 wheels. They're battery powered. I thought about some rechargeable ones, but then thought, well, they'll probably never be ready to go when I am, so I'll just use the disposable batteries because I don't really ride that much at night. But they just look so cool. I thought I'd get some. Okay, so you can see what's in the package there. There's 2 battery cases and 2 long, I think they're silver wire. So, and that wire is really thin. It's got like a lifetime warranty on it, but I tell you, that's pretty small little wire, silver wire. So I'm unscrewing it now. So it holds 3 of the little small batteries. And they're included there. Those, I don't know if those are double A or triple A, but it's the little ones. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in there and just test it right. First thing, just see if it actually works. Pretty straightforward here. There's 2 little plungers on the coming out of this little battery holder, and those go down inside the battery case. So see those 2 little horns on there. So 2 up, it's 2 up and 1 down for the voltage. So and then there, you can't put that in wrong. There's a little guide that slides it in the correct way. So as soon as I figure out how to slide it in the correct way, and then a screw, and I suppose that'll keep the water out of it. It's certainly, I don't really ride in the rain. So yeah, there it goes, lights. Yeah, I don't ride in the rain. I might get caught out in a little bit of it, but I never go out in the rain. So that looks great. Now the trick is just to, well, test it right. On this particular model, there's on, off, and flashing. So pretty straightforward. A few other little things in the case, little Amazon lottery card, thank you, little stickers, um, little sticker there from the manufacturer. I mean, for 24 bucks, it seems like good enough for what I'm trying to do. 1-page instruction. Basically, and I'm going to go through that now. Basically, all you do is hook the battery pack onto the hub of your bike, and then weave the line through the spokes. And I took some little plastic draws and locked it on those nylon locks to lock it onto the spokes so it wouldn't move around a lot. I was kind of thinking, man, if that wire comes loose, it's going to get caught in my chain, and or it won't be good. But I guess the wire is thin enough that it would break first. If it gets caught up in the mechanism, it's just going to break. So perhaps that's some sort of safety. And on the install, the instructions said to just take and run it down the spoke towards the valve stem. So that's what I did. I rotated the wheel to where the valve stem was at the bottom and just kind of went down that way. I think there's probably some better ways to do this, but it was hot in the garage, so I just moved along pretty quick. At first, I wrapped it around the valve stem, but I didn't think that was a good idea. It might cut the valve stem, so I later came back and undid that. But so the trick here is just wind it through the spokes, and it doesn't really need to be against the wheel. In fact, it being a few inches away from the wheel will give you a broader light pattern when the wheel starts to spin. So, man, I'm going to speed along through the tape just a little bit here. I think I kind of rush this. I think that really probably should take time. And man, my fingers don't work with that little wire that well. So, uh, maybe take your wheels off and weave it through, and then take and put the wheel back on. I mean, wheels on bikes like this, they're easy to get on and off. So, but anyway, there I am, and now I'm just kind of adjusting it a little bit, kind of pushing it out. And I'm testing it too, make sure all the lights are still working. Um, Now I took these now this didn't come with the kit, but I had a lot of these zip ties, and I just zip tied it on a few places, uh, so it'd be a little more anchored. I'm still worried. Is this going to come loose and cause me to crash or something? Um, but so anyway, move along. Da 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 da. So let's just cut on through a little bit faster. So here's what you got, and you can see not having them perfectly in line actually kind of adds some interest to that pattern, because it's off-centered. It goes up and down, and so I think, and you can see in this photo I've got those like 2 inches away from the wheel. Perhaps having a really wide zigzag pattern would be even better. So anyway, I'm going to get that put into the other one, and I'll go out tonight and see if I can ride it around a little bit and get a little videotape of that. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you found it of value. And really, I think if you're going to ride your bikes at night, you really should have all the lights on them you can get. I mean, here in Louisiana, it's dark as all get out, so workbench is a little overcrowded there. Let's see if I can spin that one more time. There we go. See how it kind of oscillates a little bit. All right. Thank you all. Take care.